Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making a coat hook and let's hop right into it. All right, we're going to get this measured. We're going to be taking this board, cutting it in half so that we have a shelf for the top and then a part for the hooks. And I believe hubby's marking to cut a piece off that we can use for the sides to kind of stabilize it. Now that we've got these two pieces cut, it's gonna look something like this. And then just having the three hooks there. We're gonna take these pieces and cut them into kind of a triangle at the end here to keep it stable, and then we'll have a little shelf on top. All right, after some back and forth, we are omitting the edges so that we can bevel the entire thing.
Bye! I don't like a mess. No messy garages here.
Router time! Alright, so we weren't thinking, and we cut these to be the same size and then rounded them, but now we have this problem where these are not connecting properly. So I think we're going to cut a little bit off to make it like this so it meets at the edge. And yeah, hopefully that works out.
Sure, sounds good.
What are we doing next, my love?
So now we're just going to mark out where we want our hooks, probably equally spaced apart on the back so that it looks nice. Then we can drill the holes for the screws so when we stain it, we can easily find where it's supposed to go and we don't stain on top of the hook.
All right, let's do it. Brad's pre-screwed the holes for these guys so that we'll know where they go. And we're gonna pre-drill the mounting screws.
Gotta make sure it works.
I'm gonna shoot where you want it. Or on your fingers. Just trying to get it anywhere other than the hole. We have got this all assembled. Time to get it stained, and then we will be putting the hooks on and it'll be done. All right, so we are just about done. All stained, finished, and just going to attach these and we're done. And there it is, our coat hook, all done, ready to be mounted to a wall. Thank you for sticking with us for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.